What's up guys, Simon here from Survival Project. I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you're outdoors in this weekend. So today, Battle of Titans. Now we had a lot of discussion on Facebook about 2Ds. Which one is better? Which one performed better? And Silky was generous 2.5 months ago to send me this Gomboy to test, to film it. And I can say Belgian Malinois. I can say that the Silky performed better and still does. Now let's get the facts first. Silky cuts better. There is no question about it. So teeth, everything about it, it just works better through the wood. Laplander, I have this one for 5 years now and I really abuse it a lot, you can see on the blade. So, on one of the trips, Silky broke not only once, but twice. Now, I don't have a footage of breaking, but let's see how I used it and let's see how it broke. Check this out. Well, Silky just broke. And the blade is still in here. Now, I don't know why so many of guys get triggered when you say something against the Silky. As I said before, I like Silky, I love Silky. It cuts very nice, it really bites in that wood perfectly and there's no question about it. Thing is that I want my saw to be reliable because I hike 2 hours in the backcountry like this, to the bear country like this, to do overnighter. I drive here 3 hours, so I don't want to go home because my saw broke off, if you know what I mean. So in that point, check this out. So this is the Laplander. If you cut inside, it stucks, it won't snap off. Which happened to me with the Silky. I really didn't push it hard. I know that's a pull stroke saw. Now let's get to my theory that Laplander is much more flexible than the Silky. Let's dive them into the snow. Okay, like this and like this. Okay guys, so let's check it out. First off, to be fair, just to show you this, check this out. Now to be fair, let's see the length. I'm gonna put it just like this. What will happen if you stuck and you put more force to it? Let's see. Absolutely nothing. Let's see it from here. Now, it bent a little bit. I don't know, can you see that? But check this out. That's fixed blade. And no problem continuing. Okay, let's do the Silky. I'm gonna move away, just not to get hit in my head. Check this out. Let's do more damage to this Laplander. Check this out. It just bent. If this happens to you, again, I'm gonna just slide it in like it was. perfect, but still works. If you put more effort to it, I think I can get it. So it's not perfect. It still works. Now tell me what I'm gonna do with this. So this is first piece. Let's try to destroy it somehow. It just won't break. So that's it guys for this vid. If you like this vid, hit the like button. If you don't like this vid, hit the dislike button. Comment what you think. Also, a lot of you recommended the Corona saw. I'm really looking forward to get one, test it out. If you want to see this full adventure, click over here. If you want to see my ass freeze down in ice cold river in hypothermia prevention training, hit over here. And if you like this content, hit the subscribe button. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.